Thank you for sponsoring my animal sanctuary fund. You're benefiting these puppies and some other animals, two ducks and a kitten, and definitely we hope to expand if possible. And I relaunched some of my social work project through this because I have been funding my own projects recently, and this was something that eventually I was going to need to post again for kind of needing some sponsorship for some of my projects. And I think this Animal Sanctuary Fund is one of the most popular kinds of projects I was doing when I was in Nepal, and I'm really excited about some of the new animals that I've been able to take on to give a better life, and I'm really happy with the animals we have and hope to look forward to some new ones eventually, possibly goats. Um, there's definitely different types of ducks and more ducks, things like geese and rabbits, alpaca. Eventually, I want to go in that route. Even possibly horses. I do have enough land for it, but we need more infrastructure for that. Basically, I'm interested in having some of the types of animals that I was around a lot in Nepal, like buffaloes and cows or different things like that. So thanks for sponsoring this fund, and it's been really great to see some support to help these rescue animals, and I look forward to showing some of the projects and progress that we get from this fund and share the lives of these animals.